Hello, I'm Dr. Bill Bateman, and I'll be your professor for MSOL 6100, Measurement Concepts and Analysis. Before we get started with showing you around the classroom, I'd just like to tell you a little bit about myself. I've been at Northwood University for 7 years now. I started as an associate professor at the DeVos Graduate School, and after about 2.5 years became president of the Michigan campus, a job that I had for about 4 years. Just recently I've returned back to DeVos to teach again, which is really what I love to do the most. Before coming to DeVos, I had a 25-year career in business, most of that in banking. I spent most of my career with Comerica Bank and then spent a few years with SunTrust Bank. During my career, I've worked in downtown Detroit, I've worked in Fort Lauderdale, Norfolk, Virginia, and also worked in Grand Rapids. I started teaching about 12 years ago as an adjunct and had the opportunity to teach at a number of schools, including City College of Fort Lauderdale, the Keller Graduate School of Management, Tidewater Community College, and Walsh College in Troy, Michigan. My educational background is a BBA in business from Western Michigan University. I have a Master's of Science from Walsh College in Troy, Michigan. And I have my DBA from Nova Southeastern University in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. When I'm not teaching, I like to be very active in the community affairs, and currently I'm treasurer for the United Way of Midland County. I'm a trustee on the Disability Network of Mid-Michigan. I'm secretary for the Midland Area Chamber of Commerce, and I'm a board trustee for the Midland Educational Service Agency, which is the Intermediate County School Board. We handle all the things that the locals don't handle, such as special ed and vocational training. I'm married to my wife Kim, and we have a dog, Kirby. It's a 12-year-old English pointer. And when we're not at our home in Midland, Michigan, we like to spend time in Fancy Gap, Virginia, where we have a vacation home that sits on Dogwood Mountain and has a great view from the backyard, as you can see. I'd like to give you just a brief tour of the classroom on Blackboard. The way to get to the course is to sign in as normal, and I believe that all of you have taken other courses, so you should be able to find your way to the My Courses orgs page. Scroll down to find our class, which is called Measurement Concepts and Analysis. Click on that. Once you get into the classroom, you'll land on this screen and you'll see the announcements. I'll be posting announcements once or twice a week here. The easiest way to get started with the course schedule for the week is to go to this first tile bar on the left side that start each week here. And every assignment or every reading, whatever, will be posted in a module for the week. So we'll click into week 1 to see what we have to do here. You'll click into week 1, you'll see that there's a reading, and you'll notice that it's not underlined. If it's not underlined, there's no other link there behind it. It's just a reminder that you have to read chapters 1 and 2 of the book, How to Measure Anything. We do have a discussion board, a video to watch, and another article to read. And so you would click in to the discussion board, for instance, right here, and it will take you into our first discussion for the week, which is called Lies, Damned Lies, and Statistics. You can always click back to start back to the page, back into week 1 to pick up on the additional assignments. Or, if you prefer, you can follow the left-hand menu title bars here. You can go directly into deliverables. You can go directly into the PowerPoints if they're assigned for the week. You can go directly into any videos for the week, and you could find where all these are either by following each week's module or by going into the syllabus itself. If you have any other questions about how to navigate in the course, please let me know, but remember that by always hitting the menu title bar, start week here, that's the easiest way to get started. So that concludes the introduction and a brief tour of the classroom. If you have any questions, like I said, please give me a call or an email or text, and I'll be glad to help you. Thanks for your time, and good luck in the course.